Hi everyone, welcome to Annual Live Unwind Journaling. So, this is the time that we take for ourselves as we unwind and get in touch with how our mind and body feels. After quite a tiring day, after all the hustle, after everything that's been happening in your day, and also keeping in mind that it's Friday and the week could have been quite eventful for someone. It would have been a relaxed week for the rest of us, and it could be very different for different people. So keeping all this in mind, I thought we can keep it light and fun. So today with me I have random chits that I have written. So these are chits that I used to journal and I used to write for myself when I don't have anything significant to journal about. So I thought today I could take this time to share everything that I would like to journal with you guys when we don't have anything specific planned. So, on that note, I'm going to be picking out three or four chits from whatever I have. I mean, I definitely know what I would have written, but it's been some time now since I've, attended to them and I've written from my chits. So, I myself am not really sure on what's going to come up. So we can journal together in this process where these are very generic prompts. So let's use these chits to journal today. I'm going to be giving out 3 to 4 prompts to keep it very light and you know fun. So I hope I have my journaling book with me, and I always make sure I maintain one journal, so it would help me trace back, revisit, and have a look at how I've been feeling, predominantly how I've been emotionally placed, my thoughts, my feelings, a lot of different things. On that note, I'm gonna be letting you guys find your journals and get in a very comfortable position so we can start the process. So once you have your journals ready, I'm going to be reading my first prompt. And the first prompt that I have with me says, what small things make me happy? What are the small things in my life that bring a lot of meaning, that bring a lot of happiness to you? So you can come journal along with me. So the first prompt, what are the things, small, significant things that bring a lot of joy and happiness? I'm not really sure if you're able to read them, so I will say it out. Small things that bring a lot of joy and happiness to you in your lives. You can write you can write any number of things that come to your mind and allow your thoughts to flow very freely, because there's no right or wrong way of journaling, and whatever comes to you is very personal to you. So stay in the process, write whatever comes, and allow yourself to let them flow. So small things I'm writing are things that I have in my everyday life. I'm writing about the small things that my family does for me, how they take care of me, my friends, all the things that I have in my life. What is something that makes me the most happy? I mean, I'm sure family and friends are not small things, so I'm really trying to understand what is a small thing that makes me happy. Good food, yes, good food makes me happy. Time spent with people, watching a good movie, time for myself, self care, shopping. A lot of things make me happy. So write down what are the things that make you guys happy. Small things, big things, whatever you guys want to write. So I'm going to read out the next prompt that I have that says, one thing I wish to change in me, and what is the small step that I want to start taking towards it. One thing that I wish to change in me, and a small step towards changing it. One thing I would wish to change in me is to stay consistent with whatever I do. Staying consistent with whatever I do is that change that I want to bring in me. And what is a small step I'll start taking towards it is, I think I will start rewarding myself. I will start acknowledging and appreciating myself for the small things that I do and for being able to stay consistent. I will talk about it and get people to appreciate me, give me the positive strokes. So write down what are the things that you want to change so it can differ from one person to another. So this is something that I will want to focus on. What is it that you want to focus on? Identify that and write that down. What is that one thing that you want to change? I'm going to be going to our final prompt for today. Something that you always wished to do, but you haven't done as yet. Something that you always wished to do, but you haven't done it as yet. I've always been wanting to travel, but I haven't done it. So I'm writing about that. I want to take a vacation. I want to travel. I'm also writing on what is stopping me, why I'm not able to do it. But that's not my question, I know. But these are the thoughts that's coming to me right now, and I think I should be very authentic in letting myself write on whatever comes up for me. So be very authentic with yourself. Allow yourself to feel your feelings, feel your emotions, and write on whatever comes down for you. There is no right or wrong way of doing it. So all your thoughts are welcome. Embrace them, acknowledge them, allow them to flow very freely. So I'm going to be repeating the three prompts if you guys want to continue writing even after our session. So the first prompt is, what are the small things that make you most happy? You can write one line, you can write two lines, you can write a paragraph, how many ever you want. The next prompt is, one thing I wish to change in me and start taking small steps towards it. What is that? The last prompt for today was, something that you always wish to do but you never did. What stopped you? Would you do it if you had the chance to do it? So, are you going to go for it? Are things that you can reflect back on, stay with yourself, see how you feel, how your body and your mind feels. And journaling is a very individual process. It can be very different for different people. So it's okay if your journaling process is not always a very happy one. It's okay. embrace all your emotions as they are and allow them to come to you, because they're coming to you to give you a very significant meaning and a message that you need to pay attention to. So, with that, I think we are towards the end of the live today, and I will see you guys again in another live where we journal together about different things, um, in a way where we can heal and grow and get in touch with how we've been feeling. Give our minds and bodies the time and the attention that it deserves. So, on that note, I hope all of you have a very well rested sleep, have a great weekend, and take that time for yourself, because you and your wellness are important. Good night and sleep very well. Bye, everyone. I will see you guys again.